Meet the KUKIRIN T3, a cyber-inspired electric scooter built to dominate the streets and beyond. Powered by an 800-watt brushless motor, it hits 45 kilometers per hour and climbs 20-degree hills with confidence. From city roads to rough terrain, the T3 delivers power, balance, and control. Its 48-volt, 15.6 amp-hour battery gives you up to 58 kilometers of range, so you can ride all day without limits. The striking cyber-aesthetic design, glowing with 14 integrated lights and RGB side strips, turns every ride into a light show. And yes, that angel wing tail projection is as cool as it sounds. Control everything with a single button and a color smart display. Stay safe with dual disc brakes, reflectors, and 360-degree visibility lighting. Fold it, carry it, and take it anywhere. The KUKIRIN T3 isn't just transportation. It's a statement of speed, style, and freedom. KUKIRIN T3. Ride the future.